Ladies and gentlemen, Bulanak and a very good morning to you all. It gives me a great pleasure to be here this morning at Nawak at the district school and to see smiling faces of all that are here this morning. Thank you for the wonderful welcome. I'm honored to be here this morning to officiate today's handover on behalf of the Honorable Prime Minister. Today's occasion reaffirms government's unwavering commitment under Section 31 of the 2013 Constitution that guarantees every Fijian the right to education, including access to proper school. Proper school infrastructure and learning facilities that will foster quality education and even playing field at every level of education. Education is critical in several ways, as it is instrumental for alleviating poverty, improving health and livelihoods, increasing prosperity, and saving more inclusive, sustainable and peaceful societies. The government has made the expansion of education options for our young people with top priority that will enable the next generations of Fijians to have every possible chance to succeed and do well. For governments wants school to be in the communities they serve and teachers to live among you and know the families of the students that they have been entrusted to teach. And every Fijian, regardless of where they call home, to have access to the resources they require to better themselves and their communities. Today, I am very pleased to hand over 100 sets of desks and chairs at total cost of $13,000. These are new sets of furniture. These new sets of furniture will be used for year 1 to year 4 and which will replace the old furniture. For our students here at Nawak District School, receiving these new school furniture reaffirms government commitment to your success. So the students will enjoy through this assistance, students will enjoy the comfort of new desks and chairs in a productive learning environment to excel academically. Therefore, government is committed to a knowledge-based Fiji, where every potential in every child is tapped to ensure that the future is bright, one for all.